Tangent radius property, practice number 11. What is the radius of the largest circle that can be cut from a square piece of wood? The diagonal measures 31 centimeters. The example is there on our left. To make more sense of this, we'll try drawing this piece by piece. Start by drawing the square piece of wood. Next, we'll draw the largest circle that can be cut from this piece of wood. The circle will touch all four sides and still be perfectly round. The diagonal of the square piece of wood will measure 31 centimeters. That's from any one corner to another corner. This is not the diameter of the circle, as this goes beyond the circle on both sides. And finally, what is the radius that we can cut from this circle? Remember that the radius will be from the center of the circle to anywhere touching the outside of the circle. So this will be our radius. To solve this question, we're going to pull a right angle triangle out of this. Pull it out and redraw it. The angle on the bottom left will be 90 degrees. And this line here will be 31 centimeters. Since we have a right angle triangle, we'll use Pythagorean theorem to solve, which is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Find the right angle and look for the line opposite of the right angle. That will be our c. So 31 centimeters will be our c. We'll call this side a, and we'll call the bottom b. Since sides A and B are both the same, we will just call both sides A. They are both the same because this is a square, so sides A and B will be exactly the same. So this can be a squared plus a squared is equal to 31 squared. A squared plus a squared is 2a squared, and 31 squared is 961. To remove the 2 times a squared, we'll divide this side by 2. If we divide this side by 2, we'll divide the right-hand side by 2 as well. The times 2 and divided by 2 will cancel, leaving us with a squared. And 961 divided by 2 is 480.5. Next, we have to remove the squared from the a. So we'll take the square root of a squared. We'll also take the square root of 480.5 as well. Square root and squared will cancel, leaving us with a. And the square root of 480.5 will be 21.92. So a is equal to 21.92 centimeters. In our circle, this will be the diameter. So we'll now replace A with 21.92 centimeters. And again, this will be our diameter. And to show you this is the diameter, we'll put it here. Move that line up. And you'll notice that this line touches both sides of the circle and therefore is the diameter. So the radius will be half of that. So radius is equal to diameter divided by 2. Radius is equal to 21.92 divided by 2. So the radius will be 10.96 centimeters.